Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video we are going to talk about the problem A of Codeforces round 755, which is mathematical addition. So this is really a tricky problem. I will not say it is an easy problem. It is a bit tricky problem. Okay, so you have to think about it and yeah, this is just the observation based problem. So which is that there are two numbers given to you, that u and v. Okay, and you have to find two such numbers x and y such that this particular condition should follow, should be satisfied, which is x by u plus y by v is equal to x plus y upon u plus v. This is a particular statement given to you and you have to find the value of x and y, and the value of u and v is given. Fine. So this is the basically problem statement. Now let's move towards the logic part, that what is the logic behind this problem. First thing is that this is a totally observation based problem, just a tricky problem. Okay, so if you have you can say that if you have x by u and y by v is equal to x plus y upon u plus v. So the first thing is that when you are considering this will be a, you can say a number where denominator is u plus v, and there the denominator is u and here denominator is v. So the value of x plus y should be a multiple of u plus v. This is the first observation, that the value of x plus y should be a multiple of u plus v, because when we do x plus y upon u plus v, it should give a constant value, not constant, it should give a particular value where this u plus v term should be cancelled. So if we write x, sorry, here x is already used, so we can use you can say in place of x we will use a. Okay, yeah. So again, if we take here a, means x plus y is equal to a into a is something, we will figure out what is a into u plus v, then x plus v upon it will be a, because u plus v and u plus v will be cancelled, it will be a. So the first thing is that this x plus y should be a multiple of u plus v. Other thing, this x should be a multiple of u and this y should be a multiple of v. This is the another thing. Means basically we have to cancel the denominator. We have to just make these fractions into a whole numbers, and then we will check. So for this particular condition, let's say that this is a for example, x is au, y is bv, and the now x plus y is au plus bv, but x plus y should be a multiple of u plus v. So this a and b should be a multiple of u plus v also. Understand what I am trying to say? This a plus b should also be a multiple of u plus v. So just I have just think about it. मैंने बहुत सोचा इसके बारे में, and then I come to a solution. This the solution is u square v comma uv square. This is a possible solution, which is wrong. This is not correct, because the constant of u and v are till 10 to the power 9, and then if x is equal to u square v, then x will become something approx x will become something approx 10 to the power 27, but the constant of x is just less than equal to 10 to the power 18. So we can't take u square v and uv square. It is also a possible solution if you will check. So what is the solution? Then I have figured out then that we can cancel this v and u from here. So the solution is u square comma minus v square. Why I have thought about this? So when you will do this, means u square minus v square, you will get to know that when we do u square, means x is u square and y is v minus v square. So when we do x upon y, means x upon u plus y upon v is equal to x plus y, sorry, x is u square. So x plus y upon u plus v. It will give u, it will give minus v, and here also a square minus b square is u plus v, u minus v upon u plus v. We will cancel it, and now u minus v is equal to u minus v. So the correct answer is x is equal to u square and y is equal to minus v square. There are multiple solutions, but this is one of the solution. Okay. If you have any doubt, so you may ask that how you think about this solution. This is just the observation based. I've solved this problem in something 11 to 12 minutes, and I've just thought about this problem. मैंने सिर्फ सोचा क्या कर सकते हैं. मैं नहीं बोल सकता कि इसका कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, इसका कोई ट्रिक नहीं है. This is just the observation based thing. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can comment it down, or you can join our Telegram to ask your doubt. You can subscribe to the channel for comment. Thank you so much for the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.